A homeowner stood in the middle of her kitchen after construction had started. She had been so excited about her dream kitchen, but overall things were not going well with the contractor. The new cabinets were the wrong color. The workers were not showing up as promised. And the communication between her and the contractor was always rushed and unpleasant. The homeowner had a terrible feeling that her dream kitchen was going to turn into a nightmare, and she had been taken advantage by her contractor. The homeowner went with her gut feeling and looked for other contractors that can potentially take over the project. She was able to find a much more reputable contractor. She chose the one that had the most experience and was most responsive, not the cheapest bid, and everything changed. Our homeowner had access to the project manager 24/7. People started to show up to work and communication was always pleasant. In the end, her contractor delivered her dream kitchen. According to a recent survey, only 60% of homeowners are satisfied with the result of their project. That means that 40% of homeowners are unhappy with the work that was done. I am Carlos Guerrero, and for the next 5 minutes, I am going to provide you with some things that you can do to increase your chance to have a successful result and a pleasant experience. Number 1, set clear goals and expectations. Before starting to renovation a project, take the time to clearly define your goals and expectations. Be specific about what you want to achieve, the desired outcome, and any specific design elements or functionalities you have in mind. This will help you communicate effectively with the contractors and ensure everyone is on the same page. Number 2, research and plan. Gathering inspiration from various sources like magazines, websites, or social media platforms. Create a detailed plan that includes materials, color themes, layout changes, and a realistic budget. The more prepared you are, the better chances of avoiding disappointments. Number 3, hire qualified professionals. Choosing the right professional for your project is essential. Take the time to interview contractors, architects, and designers. Check their portfolios, references, and review from previous clients. Ensure that they have the necessary license and insurance. Clear communication and a good rapport with your chosen professionals are the key to a successful collaboration. Number 4, get multiple quotes. Don't settle for the first contractor. Obtain multiple quotes from different professionals and compare their services, prices, and timeline. This will give you a better understanding of the market rates and help you make an informed decision. Remember, the cheapest option may not always be the best in terms of quality. Number 5, have a detailed contract. Once you have chosen the contractor, make sure you have a detailed written contract that outlines all the project specifications. This should include detailed scope of work, materials to be used, and any other relevant terms and conditions. Having everything in writing protects both parties and reduces the chances of misunderstandings. Number 6, regular communication. Maintain open and regular communication with your contract throughout the renovation process. Regularly discuss the progress, address any concerns promptly, and make decisions together. This ensures that everyone is on the same page and allows for adjustments if needed. Number 7, monitor the progress. Keep an eye on the renovation progress to ensure it aligns with your expectations and agree upon plans. Schedule regular site visits to monitor the quality of the workmanship. Check for any deviations and address them early on. Promptly communicate any changes or concerns that arise during the process. Number 8, be flexible and patient. Home renovation projects can be unpredictable and unexpected. Challenges may arise. It is important to remain flexible and patient throughout the process. Keep in mind that delays and minor setbacks are not uncommon. Maintain a positive mindset and work with your contractor to find solutions. If you have the time, I encourage you to follow all these tips to avoid disappointment at the end of your home renovation project. However, if you're a busy professional and rather get the right help, my team at Cutting Edge are fully trained to help you from the beginning to the end to make every step easy for you to simply say yes or no, black or white. Visit us at homeremodelmiami.com or call us at 305-680-1063 for more information. Now, I'll leave you with this. As a homeowner myself, I know the last thing I want to do is make the wrong decisions and be disappointed at the end of my home renovation project, because it is a huge investment and time consuming. By taking the proper steps and hiring the right people, you will avoid disappointments. Let my team of experts guide you by contacting us today.